teachers, parents, adults, and everyone. Today is a very pleasant day for us. Today is the day on which our talents are shown. I warmly and honorably welcome you who have come to see our talents to our Sri Getarama Preschool in Pallegama, Metrip, Generous You. I am Senidu Devas. Thank you.